So guys, we are here at Blacksite Alpha. So this is CQB CQB game site here in Mandaluyong, no, by 6mm Philippines. So dito yung admin area and ano, aming desk, no? So dito yung safe zone. So yan, shoutout kay Butchik, no, in-invite tayo sa private game nila, no. Thank you, brother, no. So yan yung mga relatives nila. And ito yung kalaban ko ngayon.
Kalaban kami today.
Yeah. Tapos yan. So yan yung game site. So yan. Yan, no. Napakaganda, no. So maluwag siya, no, for CQB. Napakagandang game site, no. So yan. Okay. So makikita nyo yan kasi maglalaro kami, no. So yan. Shout out sa'yo, brother. So ito yung FPS limit or joule limit nila, no. So yan. Okay. Kailangan ang magdidepend. Diskarte dyan. Kailangan ba itos lagi yung galaw? Kasi para may healer tayo. Okay. CQB naman, huwag kang gaganon. Lagi ka nun dito. Okay. Tapos don't use a sight. Laging tignan nyo yung barrel. Makikita mo yung takbo ng bala mo. So, first shot back. Malayo ah. Second shot back. Okay. So, siren kung start na. So, paano natin malalaman? Guys, are you ready? Okay.
Kuya. Walang malabas.
Wait.
Time.
Wait.
Sige lang.
Kailangan mo siyang kamutin.
Yeah.
So, kailangan kamot ka ng kamot.
Okay. Like per shot, kinakamot ko siya.
Yeah, pero pwede mo naman kamutin ng yan.
Yeah.
Yan, mahigpit na mahigpit. Yan, pwede na yan, marami na yan.
Okay. Gets. Okay.
Up. Wait. Wait. We are not ready. Yeah. Wait, nagka-problema.
Okay na.
Nagka-problema yung unit. Okay. Di niya nakakamot. Di niya nakakamot.
Ready na kami!
One more. Siguro ko maganda yung base nyo dun, no? Sa kabilang dulo.
Actually, doon kami galing.
Okay. So ito, depend tayo. Kasi aggressive sila, di ba? Sumugod sila. Gawin natin, depend tayo. Sabi nila, dito raw sila lumabas. So technically, free tayo dito. Okay? So, hanggat maaari may magdidepend dito. Okay. Okay guys, are you ready? No. You need to stay on your position. Yeah. Just cover. hit. Hi, headshot, nice shot. I'm dead. So guys, we are here at Black Site Alpha Game Site, no? So, ayan, ang ganda ng kanyang laruan, no? So this is CQB. Ayan, CQB Game Site, no? So, na-invite tayo. Heal me. Okay. Okay, go there. Yeah. You're dead? Oh, game over. Sorry. So wala na kayo healer?